The device I am using is an Android TV HG680P. Step 1. Busybox and Python installation process. Extract the downloaded Python 3 ARM32 barebone master.zip file using a file manager that supports extraction. Here I use zarchiver. Rename the extracted folder to Python 3. Copy the Busybox ARM/Linux file from the Busybox ndkmaster.zip, then paste it in the download folder. Rename to Busybox. Open your terminal application. Here I use terminal emulator, com.termoneplis. Important. Please pay attention to every command character I write to avoid any problems or errors. Grant root access by typing su. Because here we will modify /system, we must grant read/write permission using this command mount orw, remount/system. Copy the Busybox file from the download folder to the /system/spin folder using this command. Grant executes permission with this command. Install Busybox using this command. Create a folder to store Python in /data/local using this command and then enter the folder. Use this command to extract all payload files automatically. Wait about 20 seconds until the extraction process is complete. Move the extracted files with this command and then delete the remaining extraction folder with this command. Grant execute permission to all Python files with this command. Copy the Python environment file, env_python.sh, with this command. Grant executes permission with this command. Create a Python 3 file in /system/bin so that Python can be run on your device with this command. Grant executes permission with this command. Step 2. Installing GPad2Mouse. Copy the GPad2Mouse folder from GPad2Mouse_free_v3.1.zip to /SD card. Create a service.d folder in /data/adb/, then copy mouse_boot.sh to /data/adb/service.d/.
Invincible.
Grant executes permission with this command. Run mouse_boot.sh with this command. Mouse_boot.sh will create a folder /data/adb/gpad2mouse and will copy all files inside /SD card /gpad2mouse and run the GPad2Mouse script automatically. If your gamepad can't move the cursor normally, then run mapper first with this command and then follow the instructions that appear in the terminal.
Till I get up.
GPad2Mouse Pro version 7.1 demonstration.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Once you download the Pro version, you just need to copy the latest files. Currently the latest version is GPad2Mouse_Pro_v7.1.py to the /SD card /GPad2Mouse folder and then restart GPad2Mouse to get the Pro version running.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
First, terminate the running Python using this command. Rerun the mouse_boot.sh with this command. In the Pro version, you can disable GPad2Mouse using the Start plus LV key combination.
Rest. shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
On devices that don't use Magisk, especially devices with old operating systems, you'll need to add a custom command to run mouse_boot.sh after the device boots up.
And we'll grow in
If you previously rebooted your device, then you will need to use this command first.
sun, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
Then add a custom command into install-recovery.sh with this command.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on
Grant executes permission with this command.
through the wastelands, through the highways.
All done, thanks for watching.
We'll go.